To add text in Premiere, the first thing you want to do is head over to the Tools panel and click on Type Tool, which is this T. It's also shortcut T on your keyboard. Then head up to your program monitor and click anywhere inside your clip. Now write your text. And you'll notice down here on the timeline that it has created a clip on V2. This clip can be extended, it can be trimmed, or it can be moved anywhere within your timeline to adjust the length or placement of your text. To change the style of your text, just make sure your playhead is over the top of the text. Come back over to your Tools panel and click on the Selection tool, which is shortcut V on your keyboard, and double click on your text. Now head up to the Effects controls and bring down Text here. You'll now see all the features to make adjustments to your text. A couple of things worth pointing out is the All Caps tool. So if you've written your text in lowercase, but it needs to be all caps, you can click this one. If you need it to be small caps, where just each word is capitalized, just click this one here. A couple of other features with that. If we scroll down a little bit more in the Effects controls, we can change the color of the font, and we can add a shadow, and we can also, if the text is maybe on a light background, we can add a background which can be any color, and then we can extend that out. And then if we come back, click the Selection tool, come back into here, you'll notice that it's now got a background. Just a little quick tip, if you're adding text, one thing I found really useful over the years is if you come down to the program monitor and click on this little spanner here, or this wrench, and then go down to Snap in Program Monitor and turn that on, when you now drag your text, it will now align it for you and it will move it within the image and it will be aligned. But especially if you want to put it straight in the center, that is by far the quickest way I've found to do it.